Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix this effect doesn't work with device. First of all, I will tell you when this error occurred. When you open TikTok and you want to upload a video and you select a specific effect and this kind of error is shown, then I will tell you what you have to do is, but first of all you have to click on profile. After clicking on profile, what you have to do is you have to click on three lines. In three lines you have to click on settings and privacy. After clicking on settings and privacy, you have to scroll down and you have to click on free space, and here you have to clear the cache of your device. After clearing the cache, as this effect is already saying that this effect doesn't work with device, so you have to change the device. If you have already changed the device but the things are still as it is, then I will tell you how you can fix this error. First of all, you have to close the TikTok and you have to restart your device so that it can be solved by restarting your device. If the problem is still there, what you have to do is you have to update your TikTok app from the Play Store, because many problems are solved by just updating the app. If the problem is still there, you can also use a VPN and you can again click on TikTok and again try that effect, because many effects are not available in specific country or region. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.